Today is a bit of a work day for my Makita planer. I'm going to take the blade and switch it around. I recently just used it on some epoxy, and the epoxy, I heated it up a little bit and stuck to everything, so I'm going to just flip the blades around. Let's start by unscrewing the sides. Bring out the little tray. You can see all the gunk build up in here. I was a little unhappy using this to try to plane down epoxy. I'm not going to do that again. This latch here unlocks the roller. You want it to click, it's clicked into place. And bring up magnets now. Slide that right out, no problem. Pretty munged up looking. The housing's looking pretty messy, so we're going to give this all a good wash down. I'm going to take my felt and I'm just going to mark this blade, because that's the blade that's I'm swapping it from. Now to reinstall it, this is the dull side, you flip it around. Now to this side. These little magnets make it much easier to do. So I'll make sure it's nice and lined up. There we go. Now we just gotta start screws in. And that's all there is to it. That's one side done. I'm going to pop out the second one. Blade didn't come up with it. There we go. A lot of pitch on bracket. Simple as that. Magnet off. Screw back in. Just, if you don't have the factory wrench, it's an 1132 ratchet. Probably be easier to use that actually than using the wrench it comes with. Almost done this now. That's it. And you just clean up. This bracket holds down the blade lock, And there we have it. Blades are all changed and ready to go. Hope this makes it easier for you to change your blades if you haven't done it yet.